Morning everyone, myself Manish Shetty. I am from the KLEIT Institute of Technology. My project topic is on healthcare chatbot. We are going to diagnose the symptoms. After getting the symptoms, we are going to get the description about your symptoms as well as the precaution of how to overcome the symptoms. So let's dive into the coding part. We are going to install the necessary modules and the we're going to use the Python text to speech and also sklearn, pandas, numpy, and this one is going to help us to convert the local server into internet using the secure tunnel. Uh, we are going to import the necessary libraries from the sklearn, that is pre-processing and decision tree classifier for the decision making, which is going to store the data and the futures into tree like structure. Here two variables are going to take. One is the training set and one is the training variable, and one more is the test variable. In training variable, I am going to load the CSV file where the data model is going to be trained, and this one training model is going to train the decision tree model, and while the testing model is going to predict the validation of the trained model. Next we use the column for training. Here the CSV file is going to first break down into column. The column X variable is going to store the column's heading, and while the y is going to hold the X variable. Here mapping string to numbers, because as the machine learning requires numeric format, so it is going to convert the variable data into numeric data using the label encoder from the sklearn. Using this y is equals to le dot transform y, it's going to convert the table form into the numeric form. Next, using the train test split, we are going to train the model by using the test and testing these models, and then decision tree classifier. We are going to classify decision tree classifier is going to store the data and its descriptions about the symptoms in this respective, and it's going to assign a specific number for each column and store them. And then we store some additional data, that is we're going to define some of these get description function and get precaution functions and all. Here we are going to mount the we are going to load the CSV file, which is going to read from the CSV file and going to store in the directory, and also specifies a number for each of them after the description. And once this first one has been loaded, and then it's going to store the data respectively, and precaution is going to be displayed after the description, and then precaution will be displayed. The function for predicting the disease is based on the symptoms provided by the user. So we are going to predict the symptoms based on the user's input, based on how he is going to ask the questions. And the decision tree is going to take a major part in this prediction. So yeah, from here we can going to ask the users to enter their symptoms, and then we are going to match it from the our data set, and the matching one will be displayed. Printing process will be done using the print disease function. We are going to display the result according to the stored data set. And at last we are going to convert the numeric form into the readable form using the this one le dot reverse transform second prediction. We are going to convert the numeric into readable form, and by calling the helping function to load the data, that is these are the functions which we are going to call at the end to load the data, necessary data. Let's generate the tunnel code. So now, as when ask the headache question, it's going to ask some of the questions like, do you mean headache? Once you have submitted that, it's going to describe an definition about why it's going to cause and take precautions like some of the exercise and all other things. Can even go for the how many days of you have been experienced this same. So if I just select it for around 19 days, then it's going to show some other results saying that you have to use some of the different prescription will be same, but the definition will going to differ. I take another example. Heart fast rate. So once I'm submitted, so now it's going to show for result for the heart symptom. It's going to give the description, and description will be given. Also the prescription also will be given.